Blowout Remedies, saving your hairstyle. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the world of hair care, focusing on blowout remedies. Whether you've spent hours in a salon or at home perfecting that blowout, it can be frustrating when things don't go as planned. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some fantastic tips and tricks to save your hairstyle. First, let's understand what a blowout is. A blowout is a method of styling hair that involves drying your hair with a blow dryer while shaping it with brushes. The goal is to achieve smooth, sleek, and voluminous hair that looks professionally done. However, various factors like humidity, wind, or even a bad hair day can ruin your perfect blowout. That's where blowout remedies come into play. In this section, we'll explore some common problems you might face with your blowout and provide some quick fixes. 1. Frizz. If your hair starts to frizz, use a light serum or hair oil. Apply it sparingly to avoid greasiness. 2. Flat hair. For hair that's lost its volume, flip your hair upside down and use a blow dryer to target the roots. A light teasing at the crown can also add volume. 3. Oily roots. Dry shampoo is your best friend for oily roots. Sprinkle some on your scalp, wait for a few minutes, then brush it out. Maintaining your blowout for a longer duration is all about proper care. Here are some tips. Silk or satin. Sleep on silk or satin pillowcases to reduce friction and prevent frizz. Avoid moisture. Keep your hair dry in the shower with a shower cap and avoid humid environments. Touch up wisely. Use minimal products for touch-ups. Overloading your hair with products can weigh it down. Sometimes, despite all efforts, you might need to accept that your blowout has lived its life. When your hair begins to look limp or overly greasy, and touch-ups aren't helping, it's probably time to wash your hair and start fresh. Remember, a good hair care routine will make your next blowout even better. We hope these tips help you maintain that gorgeous blowout for as long as possible. Remember, a little care goes a long way in keeping your hair looking fabulous. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on all things beauty.